Right, this is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns won, Pirates not. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
No, but I'm feeling good about the game. To be honest with you, the game was very fair.
Yeah.
However, technically we have won the game, but practically we have lost 1-0.
Yeah.
You know, the issue there's the penalty. The penalty is not a fair game. The referee was very biased during the match. But here we are not saying, we are not blaming the referee. Let us wait for the next game.
Yeah.
However, we are not happy because we have lost 2 times in a row. We have lost in Africa,
Yeah.
we have lost in PSL.
Exactly,
We are
yeah.
going to the MTN. We are a very disciplined team. We are going to deliver.
Yeah.
Pirates is all about the fan. We were born in 1970.
Yeah.
We were not born yesterday. Thank you very much.
So what? How do you feel about your coach putting team outside and also Erasmus outside, whereas last season they were the ones who who buried Sundowns in the MTN8.
Pirates is not a one-man show.
Yeah, but they lost tonight.
We are playing as a collective. We win as a collective. We lost as a collective.
Yeah.
It's how we operate. We are all during the training. We are together 90 minutes.
Yeah.
So we are not the individual teams. Whether whoever is there, we are the collective.
Yeah, but if you are not winning with whoever who's there, like, don't you think that the coach must change something?
Spanish the guitar is a very technical and disciplined person.
Yeah.
We respect our coach,
Yeah.
and then we are very honest. We are behind the team.
Exactly.
Whether we lose or we win,
Yeah.
it's a collective
And
decision.
you are playing a very good football, to be honest.
If you can check the atmosphere before and after the game,
Yeah.
we are very honest in Ngobo.
Yeah.
We are going forward. However, we understand that actually the game is all about the goals.
Exactly. Yeah.
But Orlando Pirates, we believe in the technicality and the system since 1970.
Yeah.
We can tell you, Mfana,
Yeah.
the stadium was rebuilt in 1959.
Yeah.
Others, they don't know.
Orlando Stadium. Yes.
We spent almost 280 million. That's why we are all here.
Yeah.
So we are a very disciplined team.
No.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to
all the
give
best
Prince
on Sunday.
to proceed. We'll deliver.
Anytime.
Thank you very much.
Sure. Thanks.
Very, 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 very noble, very